Good morning, student. So, today it's the third part of this seventh chapter, birth. And last time, previously, I have read this paragraph. Now, today I'm going to give you the explanation of this chapter. So, before I begin, I just like to highlight it what is SOUT. STOUT, stout. So the stout meaning, you can see this stout meaning, STOUT, stout. Stout means of a person rather fat or heavy build, and midwife, there is one more word is called a midwife. So what is midwife? A person, typically a woman who is trained to assist women in childhood. That is called a midwife. So now I'll explain you what is in this paragraph. So here Andrew entered the gate alone. He took the stair which were of rather small width and reached a bedroom. The bedroom was not lavish and luxurious, but it was neat. Inside the room were Joe Morgan's mother in law, a woman of around 70 with larger than the average height and gray hair, along with a plump midwife to assist the childbirth. The midwife was also of an elderly age. They both sat beside Miss Morgan, waiting for Andrew. Next paragraph. Let me make you a cup of tea, Dr. Beck, said the former quickly. After a few moments, Andrew smiled faintly. He saw that the old woman, wise is experience, realized there must be a period of waiting, that she was afraid he would leave the case, saying he would return late. Don't fret, mother, I will not run away. So here BACH. So here BACH means what? I will explain you. If you can see here, let me just highlight it for you so that you can just find it easy. So BACH, back, means use as a term of endearment, often after a personal name. Here smile faintly, there is one more word, smile faintly. So what is smile faintly? Smiling with less energy, or a smile that lacks spirit. And fret, there is one more word, fret. So what is fret? Fret means be constantly or visibly anxious, or you can say worry, tension. So what does this paragraph is all about? The sweet old lady, Mrs. Morgan's mother, offered Andrew a cup of tea. She addressed Andrew as Beck, which is used while displaying affection. Realizing that the old lady might be worried about him leaving during the waiting period, he gave her a gentle smile and comforted her by assuring that he will not go away. The fact that she anticipated the period of waiting and was worried about him running away made Andrew realize that she was wise and had plenty of experience. Okay, now moving on towards the next paragraph. Down into the kitchen He drank the tea which she gave him. Over rough as he was, he knew he could not snatch even an hour's sleep if he went home. He knew too that the case here would demand all his attention. A quiver lethargy of spirit came upon him. He decided to remain until everything was over. So, I will explain you this paragraph into the next video. Till then, thank you so much.